Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Girls watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Ace of Cups. This is the current situation. We also have the Nine of Cups. This is the challenge in this reading. And the Ace of Wands. This is the Ace of Pentacles. And this is the spiritual lesson in this reading. Lots of new beginnings here. The Sun is the past situation. We also have the Knight of Swords. This is the present. The future is the Five of Wands. And your attitude is the Seven of Swords. Outside influence is the Empress. We also have the Page of Cups. This is your hopes and fears. And the outcome is the Ace of Wands. Oh, lots of new beginning. You look, Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Pay attention with the number 111 or 1111. I feel like there is a significant meaning for you. This is related to your intuition. You need to follow or listen to your intuition, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you have lots of new beginnings. 111 is related to intuition, your inner voice. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys, to keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your energy, just leave it, okay? Because this reading is not for all Scorpios. The first foundation of your reading, which is your current energy, is the Ace of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or you are attracting a fellow water sign for some of you. I feel like there is a new beginning here of love and romance. It could be that you are going to offer this to somebody else, or somebody else will offer this to you. This person could be admiring you. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are following your intuition. Others of you, you are advised to listen to your intuition because this is the message here. I have seen this message from the spiritual guides. And I feel like you are advised here to listen to your inner voice. For some of you, this is your energy. You love yourself unconditionally because you realize that you cannot pour others empty cup if your own cup is empty. And this is could be, for some of you, a new beginning of love and romance. This person will offer this to you, I feel like, during springtime, because this is cups, and cups is, the season of cups is during springtime season. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And we have here, your challenge is the 9 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your wish fulfillment. For some of you, it could also be that you are contented of what you have. You are enjoying your freedom. Others of you, it could also be that this person believed that you are living in a hedonistic way of life. Could be a Pisces. Could also be a group of people. For some of you, it could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. Others of you, this is related to your wishes, and your wishes is being granted here. So congratulations. This is your challenge, because I feel like somebody here wants to return to offer you a cup of love, or to apologize and to reconcile with you. Could be this person is feeling entitled to your success, and this person wants to offer you this cup of love. Could also be an ex. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could also be in your family, in your friend circle, in your workplace, or in the community. This person wants to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be a water sign, Pisces. Could also be a group of people who wants to drink and dine with you, to celebrate with you, because your wish is being granted. Take only what fits in your story, and this is your challenge if you are going to accept their apology. And because some of these people, they want to return and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. That's why this is your challenge in this reading. I feel like for some of you, you are no longer trusted with this person or this group of people. And this is your challenge. And we have here the Ace of Wheels. This is the spiritual lesson in this reading for some of you guys. It could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or you have an earth sign in your birth chart. Could be, not necessary. I feel like you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. This is a good news. It could also be that somebody will offer this to you. A creativity, an investment, or a business venture. Or you are the one will offer this to the person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This is related to material world. You are opening the doors of golden opportunity. This is, could be an investment, a new creativity, or a business venture. For some of you, you already taking an action with this new creativity, this golden opportunity, or you already received the message from this person. Could be an earth sign. Could also be that the energy is reversal. Somebody wants to offer this to you, or you are the one who will offer this new golden opportunity. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? This is, again, a new beginning. And we have here, the past is the sun. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. For most of you, this is your energy. This is like the vibrance of the summer is shining into your life. Your life is stunning. Your life is flourishing. And there is growth, healing, prosperity, assured success, and abundance here. It could also be that for some of you, you are going to welcome a newborn baby. Congratulations. Or it could also be that this is your feelings, that you feel like you are a newborn baby. It's because after all the devastated storm in your life, the destruction, the havoc, the chaos, you have found the light at the end of the tunnel. Others of you, you are accepting your flaws and weakness, and that's why you are free of guilt and shame. For some of you, you already healed the past trauma. Others of you, you are continuing the healing journey. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo wants to heal the trauma or the grudges between you and them. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And this is the past situation because you choose to heal. You choose to be happy. And that's why you are glowing and there is an assured success here and abundance in your life. You have too many illuminations as well. You have seen the things why it was happening in the past. You have also seen the intention of those people in the past towards on you. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo is one of those people. You have an illumination of who they are. Could be a Leo. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay. And we have here the Knight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to approach you. This person is a reckless, impulsive, and immature person. This person wants to communicate with you, but this person is reckless. Be very careful because it could also be that there is hurtful words in this confrontation or in this communication. The universe advises you to be very strategic in dealing with this communication, with this person, to think first before you act. Others of you, this is your energy. You are taking an abrupt decision. You seize the day of these new ideas. It's because you believe that you will have a potential with these new ideas to be successful in any endeavor, because I feel like you have knowledge about these new ideas and that's why you are taking an action abruptly, because you want to succeed with these new ideas. The universe advises you to think first before you act, because if you are taking an action without thinking, it may lead you to troubles or conflict. If this is related to the person with whom you are dealing with, could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. You are advised to be very analytical and strategical, because I feel like this person wants to communicate with you, and be very careful because there is, what do you call this? There are words that it's not nice to hear. These are the harsh words, and that's why you are advised to be very strategic, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. This is the present situation. It could also be that this is related to gossips or misunderstanding. And we have here the Five of Wands. This is the future. You look, after the Knight of Swords is the Five of Wands. This is the future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or a group of people. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. I feel like there is a competition here. This person or group of people wants to engage you in drama and conflict. It could also be that this is related in your workplace or the nature of your job. For some of you, you'll learn how to defend yourself. You don't want to fight with these people because you are not competing with anybody else. Unless otherwise, you are a low vibes Scorpio. But for the evolved Scorpios, I don't think that this is your energy that you want to create conflict. Yeah. Because I feel like you knew your worth. You look. This is your energy, the sun. You have an assured success here. Completion, abundance, and prosperity. And aside from that, your wishes is being granted. You look, the 9 of Cups. And I don't think and I don't feel that this is your energy that you want to engage a conflict or a drama. As I have said, only if you are a low vibes Scorpio. Maybe you are creating this drama and conflict. This is related to work. Could also be in your family. Could also be related to your career, an investment or business venture. Somebody here wants to compete you, or a group of people are competing on you. This group of people are jealous and envy with your aura because you are very, very confident and you have passion and desire to create this creative spark. For some of you, this is related in your workplace. I don't know what is the nature of your job. It could also be that this is your feelings. For some of you, you have an internal struggle in your workplace because there are lots of people who wants to put you in drama and conflict. Could also be that this person is in your family. Could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Others of you, it could also be that this person is in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And they are competing on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, could also be that there are lots of people who are competing on your attention. I don't know. This is the future energy. You look. Somebody who wants to confront you. There is a correlation with this card, the next card. It could also be that there is jealousy and envy occurred in this situation. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Be very careful because there are lots of people who wants to harvest your energy. You look, because you are the sun. Your light is shining bright, and there are lots of people who couldn't stand it. And that's why they want to create you in drama and conflict in order for you to lower your vibes like them. You look, somebody here wants to approach you, to confront you. The Knight of Swords. Could also be that you are dealing here with Leo and Aquarius, Pisces, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. You look. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 7 of Swords. This is your attitude. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look, the Knight of Swords and the 7 of Swords. This person is planning to sabotage you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know who is this person, but this is the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be any other sign, but the card says Aquarius. 7 of Swords and Knight of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. This person, for some of you guys, they are pretending that they are your allies, your friends, but the truth is not. They only wants to trick you, to sabotage you. They plan to trick you. Others of these people, it could also be that they want to steal from you. I don't know. That's why be very careful with whom you have an access in your life, especially those people you are invited in your home, because somebody here wants to steal from you. Could be your ideas or could also be your time, because somebody here wants to approach you abruptly. This is a reckless person. Could also be that this person wants to steal your time. Yeah, because this person couldn't stand your aura, because your lights is shining bright. You are the sun. And they hate that you are shining and glowing. They hate also that you have an assured success, abundance. They don't like that you heal. They want you to be always in the dark. And that's why they hate it that you find the lights at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, look. Could also be that this group of people in your family, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Somebody here, a group of people who are conniving to sabotage you. They are planning to trick you, to steal from you. This person or group of people are heartless. They don't care with whom they are hurting. They want to win at all costs because of jealousy and envy. You look 5 of Wands. They are competing on you. And that's why they want to lower your vibes. Be very careful with whom you are going to give your energy. Because there is a competition here. This is rivalry. Somebody here wants to involve you in drama and conflict in order for you to lower your vibes. Yeah, look. The universe advises you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be very strategic in dealing with people nowadays. Because I feel like somebody here is wearing a false mask. There are people who are pretending that they are your friends, your families, your allies, and they loves you, but the truth is not. They are a heartless people. They are lack of empathy. This is the 7 of Swords energy. Could also be that you are dealing with a group of people involves an Aquarius. Double confirmation. Knight of Swords and 7 of Swords. This is your attitude. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You are snaking away your ideas from this group of people. Because these people are so nosy with your life. They are intervening your personal life, and that's why you are snaking away with your ideas. You don't want this group of people knew what you are doing. It could also be that this person or group of people viewed you as a snaky person, because you know what? When you ended up the access of people or a person, they have no access in your life and they couldn't manipulate you. And that's why when they have no access, because you cut off the ties of this person or group of people, they viewed you as a snaky person because they have no access in your life. They couldn't manipulate and trick you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Empress. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Libra or a Taurus. Could also be that you have a Taurus or a Libra in your birth chart for some of you. Not necessary. For most of you, this is your energy. You are connected to the Mother Earth. You have lots of things to offer in this world. You have lots of ideas to offer in this world. You are a nurturing and loving person. You are sensual. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in Tarot there is no gender. You are the counterpart of an emperor if you are a female Scorpio. And if you are a male Scorpio, you are a counterpart of an empress. Others of you, you don't need other people to validate you because you knew your worth. You have lots to offer in this world. You are also giving an inspiration to other people, and you are willing to help and uplift other people's lives. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are pregnant and you are going to give birth with this newborn baby. Congratulations. Or you are pregnant with many ideas and you are going to give birth with these new ideas. Again, congratulations. This is your energy. It could also be that this person viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to offer you or to propose you a marriage proposal because this person viewed you as the perfect mother or father of their kids. Could be either a Taurus or a Libra. Others of you, it could also be that this is your feelings towards this person. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And this is the outside influence in this reading. And your hopes and fears is the Page of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be any other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to apologize you, to return, to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you, to celebrate and to socialize with you. This person could be a Pisces. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't know. It could also be that this person is in your family. This is a young person. Could also be your child. I don't know. For some of you, if you are a young Scorpio, it could be that this is your crush. This person wants to offer you a cup of love. This is your admirer, or you are the one who admire this person. I don't know. Others of you, this person could be a queer or a gay. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You pour love into yourself. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your cup is empty. And you are listening to your inner voice. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to receive a psychic messages, a spiritual messages, or a psychic downloads. You are advised to listen to your inner voice. Because I feel like the universe will give you here a message. I don't know. This is related to your intuition, your divine insights. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears because somebody here wants to return, to apologize, to ask forgiveness, and to reconcile with you. The problem is if you are going to accept their apology and if you're going to reconcile with them. That's why this is your hopes and fears. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ace of Wands. The Ace of, Wands. The Ace of Wands is the outcome in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign or you are attracting a fire sign for some of you. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. It could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. This is a new beginning of a new creative spark or a passion and desire. For some of you, you are accepting this challenge because you have passion and desire with this new creativity. Could also be a new love and romance. I don't know which is your story here. Others of you guys, you are enthusiastic and you have fire in your heart. You want to work and align with your passion. Could be that somebody will offer this to you because this is a new beginning. Somebody wants to offer this to you, or you are the one who will offer this to somebody else who embody the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This is the outcome in this reading. And let me clarify why the Five of Wands here. Tell me more about the Five of Wands here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. Why the Five of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about the Five of Wands here, please. The Five of Wands is clarified as fishy, Detroimeren. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. This is a German language astro cards. Either you are dealing with Leo or Pisces because this is the clarification of the Five of Wands. This person could be daydreaming about you. This is the dream, the träumerin, the dreamer. It could also be that you are the dream of this person. Either you are dealing with Pisces or a Leo. And this person is competing on you. Or competing on your attention. You look. Sorry guys, because oh my God, Jesus Christ. I have an allergy. Yeah. And could be that this person is competing on you, or competing your attention, or competing your work. Could be. And this person could be either a Leo or a Pisces. Or this person is daydreaming on you. Or you are the dream of this person. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please. Why the Seven of Swords here? Tell me more about the Seven of Swords in this reading. The Seven of Swords is clarified as... Just a minute, because this is... Sorry guys, this is in the other... the other side of the sun. Why the Seven of Swords here, please? The Seven of Swords is clarified as Steinbock. Steinbock is a German language which stands for Capricorn, the Shepen. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn, an Aquarius, or a Lady Boss. Remember, in your last reading, it was also come out. And it could also be that this person is wearing a false mask. But the truth, this person is not your allies, is not your real friend. They only wants to spy with your ideas or with your life. They wants to win at all costs. They wants to trick you, to sabotage your new beginnings, your success. Could be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn, a Lady Boss, or an Aquarius. Or these persons are this person feeling that you are snaking away from them with your ideas. I don't know which is your story here. But if I were you, be very careful, because somebody here wants to return to apologize with you. You look. And that's why this is your hopes and fears. Be very careful nowadays. I never see all people. I said because somebody here wants to win at all costs. This is the Seven of Swords. Could be an Aquarius, a Capricorn, a Lady Boss. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please. Why the why the Knight of Swords here? The Knight of Swords is clarified as the 8th house, transformation and mystery. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio or an Aquarius. And I feel like for some of you, you already transformed and evolved. And you are no longer dealing with this person anymore who wants to approach you. You are not interested with their conversation. Because for some of you, you cut off the ties of this person in your life because of what they have done to you in the past. Maybe they mess you up. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a fellow Scorpio. This person is a low vibes energy. And you already transformed into a higher spiritual level. It could also be that this person wants to confront you because this person wants to know your secrets. This is a geheimnis is a secret. For some of you guys, it could also that this person viewed you as a secretive person, and that's why this person wants to know your secrets, wants to ask you, or wants to confront you, because this person believed that you hide something from them. Could be an Aquarius or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Sun in this reading. Why the sun here? Please tell me more about the sun. The sun is clarified as moon, feeling and subconscious. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Pisces or a Leo. You look. And I feel like either both of them keeping secrets on you. Could be a Leo or a Pisces. Could also be a Cancer, because the moon could be a Pisces or a Cancer and a Leo involved here with these secrets. I don't know what are their secrets, or it could also be that they have fear in approaching you, because I feel like in the past there is a misconception here. Yeah, because the moon could also be a misconception, or they are insecure on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because despite of what they have done to you, you still shines. Could be that you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, or Leo, and this person is keeping secrets on you, or there is a secrets going to reveal in this scenario. The universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities, and to listen to your intuition. That's why you are going to receive a spiritual messages and psychic downloads, and to listen to your inner voice, the Page of Cups, because somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Could also be that these three people are collaborating in the past regarding with these secrets that they are keeping from you. A Leo, a Cancer, or a Pisces involved in this scenario. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the Nine of Pentacles. Sorry, guys, the Nine of Cups here. The Nine of Cups is clarified as Pluto, shadow, and mystic. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing either a Pisces or a fellow Scorpio, because Pluto is one of the ruling planet of a Scorpio, and this is related to somebody else who is sorry guys, somebody else who is doing shady on you. This is related to secret. Somebody is doing shady. Somebody is doing something in the dark. Yeah, this is could be a fellow Scorpio you are dealing with, or a Pisces. Could also be that this person are collaborating. These two people are collaborating with each other. You look. Could also be Leo, Pisces, a fellow Scorpio, or a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Empress in this reading. Why the Empress here, please? Tell me more about the Empress in this reading. Show me the cards where I need to see, please. Why the Empress here? The Empress is clarified as the 4th house, home and family. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing either a Cancer or Taurus and or Libra. And it could also be that this person is in your family, because this is home and family. 4th house is a Cancer. It could also be that you are dealing with Cancer, Libra, or Taurus. And I feel like this person could be in your family, or this person wants to have a family with you, because you are an Empress. Either Cancer, Taurus, or Libra, because they viewed you as a marriage material. For some of you, it could also be that this person is in your family, or they wants to create a family with you, because this is home and family. Take note, somebody here wants to offer you a cup of love in the beginning. This is your current situation. There is somebody who wants to offer you what you call this, a love and romance, a new beginning of love, romance, and relationship. And this is your current situation, the Ace of Cups. And this person could be Cancer, Taurus, or Libra. I hope that makes sense. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, clarify me please why the Page of Cups in this reading. The Page of Cups is clarified as, just a minute, this is wrong. Clarify me please the Page of Cups here. The Page of Cups is clarified as North Lunar Node. This is the new life's goal. And this is the clarification of the Page of Cups. This is a German language astro cards. This is North Lunar Node. This is new life's goal. This person wants to return, to apologize, to offer you a cup of love, to socialize with you. Because this person wants to have a new life's goal, a fresh start with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be a Pisces, could also be other sign, but the Page of Cups is embodied the energy of a Pisces. That ends your readings for today. Hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share in order to enlarge our community. Thank you for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.